TheJbeans.net.
Grand Turk is a great port for quick and easy access to snorkeling, whether you take a paid excursion or bring your own equipment and snorkel at the beaches by the ships. We've always snorkeled on our own at Grand Turk, and in this video, we'll provide an updated look at the marine life we saw while snorkeling during our most recent visit in December 2022. Just a quick note that if you enjoy this video, please give us a thumbs up or leave a comment. It really helps our channel, and consider subscribing so you get alerted when we add new videos. The water area that is on the north side or left side of the cruise ship here is mostly clear of rocks at the shoreline and full of fish swimming around. During our most recent visit, we saw dozens and dozens of fish swimming pretty much everywhere we looked. The area where the seafloor drops off, near the edge of the marked swimming area, was particularly active, with many different types of fish to see. It's clear the fish are used to sharing the water with cruise passengers, so don't be alarmed if you suddenly find yourself being approached by fish that aren't very shy. The water area on the south side or right side of the cruise dock has significantly more rocks to navigate at the shoreline, but we previously saw more marine life in the area. Unfortunately, during our most recent visit, we only saw a few dozen fish and not much else. Additionally, the waves were significantly stronger, which made the water murky and also made swimming difficult. Because of that, we spent most of our time snorkeling in the water on the north side.